Hi, my name is Rothmayr. I'm the leader of COREangels Barcelona, and I still remember that phone call that I got from Rui Falcao asking me if I can give him some names of startups to invest in Barcelona. This is how it all started, and thanks also to Guillermo Soto, the fund leader of COREangels Madrid, that explained me very well how he was able to set up COREangels Madrid, which inspired me to set up COREangels Barcelona. This is 3 years ago when we started. Nowadays we are 35 investors, 21 portfolio startups. We have several of them that are already in the second or the third round, so we're really happy. Only one company has died so far. Looking forward to see what the next few years will bring to us, and look forward to see you as an investor as well, not only in our fund, but in one of the 12 funds that we have currently online or running, and hopefully also in one of the funds that we will launch within the next few months.